Alright, y'all. Alright, peoples. Welcome back. I ain't gonna say followers or subscribers. I'm gonna say family. Welcome back, family. Today, it's another episode of trying to get the Evo right. There was a lot of missing parts, so I had to go ahead and I ordered a bunch of parts. Due to the snowstorm, guys said it's taking a little bit longer than usual to get the parts out. So I'm waiting for those parts. I don't know if I'll get them uploaded before I leave for deployment or whatnot. So when I get back or mid-break, whatnot, I'll get those parts recorded, installed, and upload for you guys, and you guys can follow me along on the journey. So for now, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. It's a few of the parts that I need, a few of the parts that I mentioned in the last video that I didn't notice when I first got the car that I needed. So I found someone local, slid over there, pick them up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install them. Well, not even install them. I'm gonna show you guys what they are, clean them up a bit, and then we'll go from there if I'm going to install them or not. One of the main things, or one of the important things that I was missing to even start the car, drive the car, whenever I get everything going, is this fuse box. I found this one on eBay for $55, so I went ahead and copped it. Hopefully it's good. It looks like all the plugs and everything's intact. It got fuses in there. It didn't look like it caught on fire or anything like that. So got this one off eBay for like $55 shipped, so I went ahead and copped that. The next thing is whatever. These plastics right here are the rear plastics in the back of the car. Sam had those, fellow Evo owner here in the Northwest. He had those. He also had a lot of other extra parts that I got from him, which to include this right here. I got the bezel from him that I needed. I ended up getting the top part of the dash of the steering column. It does have a little nick right there, but I might clean this up and have it like gloss carbon wrapped. I also got the little thing for the seatbelt cover in the back. I also ended up getting 3 rear seat belts and buckles. So I have the seat belts and the buckles for the back of the Evo. All 3 seat belts are here. Even that center one, where's it at? It should have the little that little plastic on it. Here you go. This is the one that goes in the center right there. So that goes over that. Put that on there, screw that down, and then that covers up. Yeah, got some of the bolts. I don't have all of them. I might have some more bolts from when I bought the freaking when I parted out that RSX. Also had another little cover back here. Just little stuff, man, that that's gonna make the car look clean. I'll eventually clean up all of those. This right here is those little side markers that I was missing. The car didn't have those, so I ended up picking those up. And this right here is just the little side markers. It even come with bulbs, so it's nothing too special. There's some smoke side markers, not totally smoke, but they're smoked out a little bit. I don't even know what color I'm gonna paint the car, if I'm gonna leave it yellow or whatnot, so I don't even know if this is gonna go with it. Might end up ordering new ones in the future. I really just got these to have the car sit somewhat complete, because I want the car to be sitting somewhat complete. It makes me feel a little bit better when I'm working on it, that it's not like a total shell or whatnot. So these just basically, they just pop. I can't remember what way these go at all. So these basically just pop in this way. Nope, look like the other way. So these basically, what way do these go? I can't freaking remember. I really can't remember what way these go in. I'm gonna take a wild guess and say it goes to the shape of that. So it's gonna go like this. So it goes like that. And it's pretty clean. So even if they don't have the light things back there, which I think they do. Yeah, I think it's, yeah, it's back here. It plugs back here. I just got to get the part that plugs into this, which I could find somewhere local, for real. Pretty sure I could pick those up, but it fits in there. Hopefully it don't pop out or nothing like that. It don't look like it's in there all the way, but that's how that goes. Let me see if I could. Oh, there you go. Whoa, shit. Already breaking stuff. That's why I can't have nothing clean, man. I'm reckless with all my stuff. Look at that. It ain't damaged, though. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the car and make sure all the wires line up and make sure it's for a USDM version. They said it was, so I hope all the wires will line up. What I need like a 10 mil to fit in there. Hopefully I have something. I have a whole bunch of, and look at that, fit right in there, bruh. We in there, bruh. Now let's see if that's long enough to fit on the part on the Evo. Let's go. Still got all those junk wires that I pulled out of it. I don't know if I want to throw them away because I don't know if I pulled out something I might need, you know. So this is how the Evo been sitting for the last week. I pulled out the center part right there. I need to find something. If anybody knows of anything that could take the gummy stuff off the dash, the double-sided tape off the dash, let me know what that might be. So I got a flashlight. That's why you see all those lines across the screen. It's not because of the camera, anything like that. It's a flashlight that I'm using. So obviously that looked like another fuse box or something. I don't know what all this stuff goes to, but I'm gonna try to find all the wires that plug into the fuse box and plug them in, and hopefully it works. So this is what I'm about to get into right now. Alright, so I got the fuse box up under here. The other bracket that mounts here, like, bolts it in right here, so that's why I'm not worried about it just sitting like this, because the under tray right here bolts it in. Now these two wires right here, I don't know where they go. I do not know where they go at all. I'm thinking it might be for the dash. They probably come up and go to the dash or something, but I'm not sure because they're under here. So why would it come up and go to the back of the dash? The wires for the dash are already up here, 2 wires. I think that's all it needed. And there's a wire cut under here. This wire right here is cut. So I'll be surprised if this car starts first go around when I get everything together. There's gonna be some electrical issues for sure. So I'm gonna leave this underbelly part off right now. I do want to clean this up a lot, but I don't want to do too much because I don't know what to take out or what I need just yet. But guys, that's going to be it for today. We're slowly chipping away at this build. I know it might seem longer than it actually is because I'm only doing the weekly uploads. So every Sunday, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So that's like, was it 3 p.m.? Oh no, that's 2 p.m. East Coast time. So if you guys want to follow the build, go ahead and subscribe. Check me out. Come back every Sunday for the uploads. Once all those uploads run out and I'm gone, y'all just have to wait till I get back. So like, share, subscribe, come back, check me out. Peace.